Say bye-bye. What's that? What was that? That was a car. What does a car say? Mateo, what does a car say? And where are the plants? Good. Very good. Oh, there's plants there too. Show me your smiley. That's a good smiley. Very good. Are we going for a walk? What was that? Are we going for a walk? Yes, please, Mommy. Let's go. Let's go. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Mateo. Bye-bye. Are you gonna eat your cookie? You're giving some to Sleepy Time Bobo. That's nice. Oh, that's nice. You're smiling for Mommy. Are you gonna give some to Sleepy Time Bobo? Give him a cookie. You're sharing. He's nice. Give him a kiss. Oh, Sleepy Time Bobo. How about a smiley? Oh, that's nice. Where's Oma and Opa? Where's Oma and Opa? Huh? You giving them a cookie? They're over there. They're over there. Oh yeah, Oma and Opa. Hi. Hi, Oma Opa. Are you gonna give Mommy a cookie? Will you give Mommy a cookie? Can I get one? May I have one, please? Thank you. Give me a cookie. Thank you. That's nice. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I like your hair, Mateo. It's a mohawk. Bye-bye. Where are you going, my baby? Where are you going? Come here. Come to Mommy. Come. You're fast. That's very good, Mateo. Can you put the other ones in? Excellent! Good job! Oh, you're standing! Oh!